Welcome squad, welcome back to another video. So a little backstory, my hair has been out for the past week. I realized I went to sleep without my silk scarf. Annoyed with myself, I got up and went to the bathroom, chuckled, stretched, and brushed my teeth. Also washed my face pretty good, don't forget to moisturize. Then I'm gonna show you guys how I got here. As usual with every protective style, you have to make sure you moisturize properly. I'm showing you the products on screen. I'll leave them in the description box as well. As you can see, my hair is pretty stretched, and as I said, it's like a 1 week old hair. I decided not to wash my hair because it's not really dirty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize, and for this style I'm using the Jamaican twist Marley hair. So I had some old strands that I had from my previous Marley twist, but just to give you a show, basically one strand gives you that width of a twist and two strands give you this width of a twist. So you decide what you guys are looking for. I go ahead and brush out the ends of the old hair that I'm reusing, split my hair into two, and grabbing the Marley hair, making sure that they're equal strands on both sides, I start to twist it onto my natural hair, and then on the other strand of my natural hair I twist it the opposite way, so that, you know, like when you twist it starts wrapping around each other naturally if you do that per se. I'll be showing repetitions of this so you guys can get an idea of what I'm doing. I don't know how well to explain it by words than what I am already saying, but I'm trying my best. This is a closer look of the mechanism that I'm actually using to twist my hair. As you can see, I'm just like gently twirling each strands before I make the twist, and I do that throughout the ends of the hair. When I'm running out of hair on one side, I just borrow strands and continue twisting down below, and then it'll just look like a regular twist after I'm done. This is a quick root check to show you how snug it is to my scalp. Splitting my hair into two, and then I'm grabbing the Marley hair and twisting it onto my natural hair, and then once I feel that it's secure enough on that one strand, I move on to the next strand and twist the opposite way. After which I start to twist the Marley hair and continue twining the strands before making the twist. So I'm using the rest of the pack right now, and that's all I have left. I know I don't have enough, but I continue doing my hair regardless, and I'll work something out in the meantime when I get there. Hoping that you guys are getting the hang of this. I'm not going to do the instructions, just actually look at what I'm doing. And if you don't understand, then probably comment down below and ask a specific question, because I really don't know how else to explain it and show it to you guys. I'm trying my best with the camera angle as well, but so this is why I'm showing you the difference between the size of the twist. So when I started single strands versus the double strands. Here is another attempt of me trying my damn hardest to let you guys see exactly what I'm doing so that you guys can actually do Marley twist, because I think it's a great protective style, and I normally wear my Marley twist for a month at least, and it's just easier to maintain, and I realize that I retain a lot of length with Marley twists. Okay, I think I've showed enough how I did this, but this is the end result of the Marley twist. I'm gonna be showing you guys every angle of it so you guys know. Obviously, different partings, different ways, and there's a lot of ways that you can actually style this hair. I already took my Marley twist out, so I was planning on doing how to style your Marley twist, but you know, it is what it is. But this is a cute style. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe down below, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.